Today we're going to be talking about section 6.6, which is ratio and proportion word problems. So, for example, a stick 1 meter long is held perpendicular to the ground and casts a shadow of 0.4 meters long. At the same time, an electrical tower casts a shadow of 112 meters long. So use a ratio and proportion to find the height of the tower. So here I have a stick, which I have in a electrical tower. So I have labeled the height of the stick is 1 meter and its shadow is 0.4 meters. And then on the electrical tower, I have the shadow as 112 meters. And I don't know the height, so I have put a variable there and I used X. Okay, so the best thing to do with these types of problems is to draw a picture first. Okay, and the next thing I need to do is set up a proportion. So I'm going to say I have shadows that are proportional to heights. Okay, and I think using a simple T-chart is very useful for these types of problems, just to keep it organized. So I'm going to start with the shadows, and the shadow of the stick is 0.4. Okay, and then the shadow of the electrical tower is 112. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the heights, and I did the shadow of the stick first, so I need to do the height of the stick first, and that is 1 meter. And then I don't know the height of the electrical tower, so there's my variable X. Okay, now once I have my proportion set up, all I have to do is cross multiply. Okay, and 112 times 1 is 112. 0.4 times X is just 0.4X. Okay, and now I have a simple one-step equation, and all I have to do is divide both sides by 0.4. Okay, on the right-hand side, I'm left with X equals 112 divided by 0.4 is 280. Okay, so that means the height of the electrical tower is 280 meters. And I could go back to my drawing and label X as 280.